Isang malaking awesome and thank you so much guys sa mga magre-replay na itong video na to at syempre sa mga nag-comment kahapon. So big shoutouts kila PJVB, kay Chaver, yan, big shoutouts kay Minimum, big shoutouts kay Nobi X Senpai, yan, big shoutouts kay Bahala na, kay Stephen Linos, big shoutouts sa inyo, kay Master Gray, yan, medyo natututo na kayo kung ano yung i-shoutout ko lang, big shoutouts kay, kay pin comment natin kay Benjamin Castro, not because of this, so sa akin, it's because of the SMC and yung YCOF, so these are like, reliable, I would say not super accurate but reliable way to really track the momentum or where we are in the market. So, yan, tulad nga sinabi ko sa inyo, it's not just like trading that I'm trying to teach you here guys, it's more of like building your character in terms of what is the kind of character, what type of trader you are in this market. So, guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-like, please do like, share, subscribe. 804 videos na tayo. Malapit na tayo mag 1,000. So let's see if what will happen from there. I'm very positive that there is something that is going to break through maliban sa market. But also, if hindi nyo pa na-notification bell tayo, please turn on the notification bell kasi minsan nagbabago yung oras ko dito. Right now, marami akong gawa sa business natin, so I really have to attend to that rather. So, kahapon, okay, CPI tayo, no? So, nangyari is, it became weird. How I would say weird is because when the CPI was released yesterday, it went up really early, tas biglang bumalik doon sa previous liquidity, which is this one, no, at 60. So everyone's calling for bottom already. Then right now it is going up. So but if you look at the 1 hour time frame, ang nangyayari is we have a higher here and lower high, and we are producing another early lower high right away. So hindi pa naman siya close, no? So we still have 9 hours, I would say. But if this breaks, okay, sabihin natin may order block tayo, this is a bearish order block, just to mind you. If this gets rejected right away, you know what will happen, and it will just keeps on going down from here and producing a bearish bear flag, rather, not bearish, bear flag. So bear flag. Then okay, right now, ang daming clues. Actually, if we went back, if I will go back to doon sa super trend natin or tinatawag natin the super chart na alam nyo lagi kong binabantayan. So, para sa inyo, ayaw nyo na magbantay ng mga higher time frames. So, ako na bahala doon. Ito yung update natin so far. So, itong white line natin, this has been the thing that we've been watching out. No? Ito yung prediction natin. So, we may be able to go back to this bearish, the support lines here. So that's why we have a prediction of 65 or 66k, but it's not like gonna be this week or within this day. But in any case, there is a bullish news coming from the government, of course, of the United States. Anything can happen. But yesterday, no, so we have like 0.5% higher of for the month, and this is higher than the expected annual, or the expected CPI rates or inflation rate, which is this annual figure. Okay, ang explanation lang nito, yung annual figure natin is the highest level in 3 years. This is bearish, guys. Okay, ultimately bearish, pero hindi yun yung nangyari doon sa ating chart. So it went just up, and I really think it's because of the ideology of the people on how to really beat the inflation is to really buy Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is not printable or mintable, and it's just a locked-in 21 million supply. So parang ganon. But anyways, yun yung nabubuhay na topic for Bitcoin. But if we will look at the potential move, okay, what is going on here? Okay, many people are still thinking about the Bitcoin will go now to 90k, 100k. This is very weird because I don't know where this propaganda is coming from. Everyone is calling for bottom, and also I know marami sa inyo nagpo-follow kay Benjamin Cohen, and maybe you heard Benjamin Cohen from me, but I told you guys whenever we try to touch spin natin, ito nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, it doesn't definitely say that it is already bottom. Okay, it is the start of the bottoming, and we are at that phase already. So kung tutuusin sa Wyckoff, pwede nyo sabihin sa Wyckoff accumulation, not distribution, schematic, meron tayong tinatawag na accumulation schematic B, where the, kung titignan natin yon, kayo na lang tumingin, we may be entering the spring phase already. So, for me, okay, I will not like overstress this to you guys. For me, by just looking at this Bitcoin percentage of supply in profit and loss, okay, it's just stating us, okay, that we are now trying to find the best liquidity or the best pricing for Bitcoin in order to really make profit. That's how we really want to translate this one. It is not a translation of like, oh, okay, this is bottom ready and we go all in. Okay, that's now how I do things as well in my Bitcoin buying. I always do DCA, but this, okay, sabi natin, okay, you're willing to really lose money from 61k to 54k, then bahala ka, nasa sayo yun. Okay, but me, I do not just go dive full buy right now. It could be like, okay, so sa buong $1,000 mo, I will allow you $100 para sa sarili ko to buy Bitcoin. Yes, definitely. Every month, because that's my system, no? Na meron tayong isang araw sa isang araw sa isang buwan na we delegate funds without looking at the price, because that's part of the system. In the longer time frame, we're not looking at within the year, 2 years, bebenta ko agad. We're looking at 10 years. We're looking at 5 years. And this strategy has been our strategy since 2023 nung in-establish ko ang Meraki. And why? It's because this is the strategy that I found from Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and even the pioneers of Bitcoin, which is the Bitcoin Swan. So kung hindi nyo alam yung mga yon, meron akong malaking document na nag-study nito. It's a 90 page document, and I don't know why most of you guys have no access to it. Parang 10 or 8 lang yung may access doon. So isa yata doon si Toshi. But anyways, we want to go back here. So sa Elliott wave theory, which is combined doon sa Wyckoff schematics, no, sa na study, which yun yung naging foundation na tong Wyckoff. But to go back to this topic is, this is the phase where we are going to slow down trend. And this is very dangerous, okay? So in our chart, it is important, the important clue is, yung BTC natin bounces at 61 to 58k zone, okay? But it is trapped under the descending structure na tinatawag. So this is the point where, okay, you don't want to fight the trend, but also you want to find an exit. Ito yung lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo. When we were here as well, at 68, when we bounced to 83, you don't buy at 67 just because you saw a breakout. Okay, the confirmation is always at, okay, the previous high of 82,000. Pag nag-retrace na siya, tsaka, diba? Lagi naman tayong ganun eh. So mag-bounce siya sa 77 at bumalik siya ng 82. Doon ko sasabihin sa inyo, okay, this is a good buy, but right now, nung nandito tayo sa 81 and we're crashing to 77, this is not the best buying opportunity, and you don't want to buy at this lows because you might be thinking that this is low and it is just a fake out. And you can see it as well in many clues right here when we were overheating sa stochastic RSI sa 3-day. 3-day is very important, guys, kung talagang marunong kayo magbasa ng trend in terms of higher trend or higher time frame trend reading. So yeah, with this one, so sa Elliott wave theory may ABC tayo, diba? Sa C to B, or I mean C to D, or D and D to E, itong C to D, this is going to be a death for many alts. Lagi ko yan sinasabi sa inyo. Kung ang titignan natin din, sabihin natin 0, A, B, C, okay? Nevertheless, B to C is always a death trap. The scenario here, sabihin natin A, B, C, D, E, slow death structure, diba? This is it works if we treat it like a descending corrective structure diagonal. Okay, so ito yung tinatawag na falling wedge. In every falling wedge, guys, dito yung pumapasok yung idea na sa C, D, and E, ito yung mga times na laging may hopium na tinatawag or no hope yung mga tao na sana, dito mo maririnig lagi yung sana. And I really hope that ganito, I really hope that the market will just recover from here because it's gonna be a really death trap. Pero, ang totoo niyan, yung hope na yon is just like hope. Okay, it means that you don't have any control into this market. And ang meron talagang control is the theory of Elliott wave. Okay, that if the ABCD at nag-produce ng letter D, it means there is always an E. Okay, ito yung part ng theory. Hindi ko sinasabing totoo to. Lagi nga na sinasabi natin theory, di ba? Elliott wave theory. But most of the influencers always tells it as if this is the truth. Okay, so this is just a theory, but most of the time, okay, sa Elliott wave theory, basta tama yung tumbok mo, nangyayari talaga siya. So as if you are a prophet. Okay, so I'm not a prophet. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung nagiging move natin, and oftentimes tama tayo because I just follow the basics of trading. Okay, so now, without the blubber, or let's just blubber aside, no? Malaki yung chances natin na mag 54K is because of this structure, no? So may tinatawag din tayo sa BTC natin. Okay, kung titingnan nyo, I've been telling you guys that this might be bottom is because we have the moving average 50. Okay, malaki yung chances na we try to reclaim this level. Okay, but also to go below the moving average 50. Okay, so ano yung structure na sinasabi ko rin sa inyo? So kung sasamahan natin ito ng Fibonacci, ito yung sinasabi ko na ABC. So ABC, okay, baliktarin niyo yung ulo nyo, ganun din yan. So in every impulse, meron tayo AB, di ba? Meron ding ABC sa loob niyan. Okay, kahit sabihin natin sa A to B, meron din yung ABC pababa. So how to really find the structure is to really find the numbers, okay? Or yung tinatawag na the pie ng Fibonacci. So kung may idea ka ng Fibonacci, you'll be able to really find the ABC structure or the theory of Elliott wave. Okay? So now, ang pinaglalaban ko dito guys is, okay, since ang dami ko na sinabi, ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo is, you don't wanna trade like aggressive longs, aggressive shorts, of course. Yun yung nangyayari sa karamihan sa atin dito. Nag-short sila kasi may CPI, etc. Pero walang confirmation, no? So we have order block. This is very basic, guys. Okay, once we get rejected at the order, the bearish order block, the often move is always going down, and you want to trade at the bottom below of 62, tsaka mo doon sabihin na babalik siya sa 59K. Okay, so now with that said, marami din nagsasabi naman sa inyo na, oh no sir, also this is a head and shoulder. No, actually, if you will look at, since you're looking at the logarithmic kasi, this is also head and shoulder with the same time frame. Kung titignan mo, pares lang din yung time frame yan sa time frame nito. Nagmumukha lang talagang, guys, malaki yung nag-move dito, etc. blah blah blah. Bakit hindi tayo nag head and shoulder dyan? So marami nagko-call din nung time na nandito tayo, everyone is calling for head and shoulder, and this one now you are calling for head and shoulder, and without invalidating the basics. So the only person who will invalidate the basics is because they don't know the basics of trading. So ayun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, go back to the structure, go back to the Elliott wave theories, go back to the support and demand. Basics is always fascinating, and it reveals a lot of mystery in trading. So kayo SMC, kayo ICT Bullet, etc. blah blah blah. All of those were built from the basics, support and demand, 'di ba? Liquidity side, yung mga ganyan, trying to just know where the market really wants to go. Simple sentiment. May mga nakikita kong ganun lang mag-trade, and they know where the bottom is by just looking at that. So ito A, B, C, D, E. So we may be able to be at the bottom, but we also might be at ABC theory, no? So parang ganyan. Okay? So what are the chances? 'Di ba? So yun yung hinahanap lang natin. Hindi tayo nag-over exaggerate sa ano, kasi syempre may mga manipulation naman, no? So we want to get the same length of this to be transferred this one. Or if you want a shorter leg, is you need to prolong the market to be on a sideways until November or even December. Yan yung mga prediction nato. It's very clear clue for everyone by just looking at ABC or ABCDE. Try to study this because this is going to really help you out. Okay? But also, gagawa ko ng document to really stress this out kasi dapat live video to na mahaba to really explain to you guys what and how do you really use this one and when do you really use this. Okay, then also I'll be doing a lot of documents naman sa when it comes to buying side or ano yung mga alts din na bibili natin, ano yung mga gem na to which will be only available sa Meraki. So guys, kung interested kayo doon, yan, pwede nyo puntahan tong links na to. It will really help me out. Okay, so when it comes to funding the whole community. But anyways, guys, chismis lang lahat ng yan. Kailangan nyo pa rin aralin, planuhin at kilusan. Ang sa gayon, ang lahat ng to ay ating makamtan. At syempre, guys, alam nyo na, stay awesome. Goodbye. Guys, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout, alam nyo na gagawin. React lang kayo, gawa kayo ng tingin, kasi mahirap kasi dito sa atin, inaabangan nyo na lang yung word eh. Ang maganda ngayon, panoorin nyo yung buong video, ano yung natutunan nyo, yun na lang. Okay, so yun lang guys, have a great night.